Hello CIS scholars. I Sonal Shah, an English educator from Countryside International School. As we all know that due to this lockdown situation, we had adopted online learning system. And dear all, I would be glad to inform you that today we are going to study about the same topic, virtual classroom. So, without wasting our time, let's begin with the chapter 1 from Behave, the fun they had. Behave, chapter number 1, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. Students, in this chapter there are few characters: Margie, Tommy, Margie's friend, Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, mechanical teacher means screen versus old book, and last county inspector. Before we start our chapter, let us know something related to chapter. This story takes us to the world of future where computers will play a major role. This story we shall read, know them, will perhaps not exist. It shows that it may be not exist, but it is a future. It is a right now we are saying our future, that how the future will be and who will take the place of humans, and that will be the computers. How the children study then? Let's imagine the school of the future. The ideas of virtual reality and virtual classroom. The term virtual reality refers to the reality created by computer software. The term virtual classroom is not a real classroom, but one where learning is through computer software or the internet. Dear students, right now with the situation which we are facing, so in this situation we are completely dependent on this virtual reality as well as a virtual classroom, because due to this situation we cannot go to school. As I know it, that you people are missing classroom very much, even we too missing you people and classroom. But right now due to the condition, so this lesson is something your own story. I may say that this is your own story. What you people are thinking right now, what you people are feeling right now, the same story is jot down in this chapter. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." This lesson is extract of a diary from Margie's diary. Margie and Tommy are 11 and 13-year old who live in the future where books are read electronically. Their idea of school is a robot system which customizes lessons for them and teaches them on the screen. The system has slot for submitting homework and calculates their grade instantly. Now here students, just go through the date mentioned over here, that is 17 May 2157, means right now we are in a 2020, so it is something that near to 137 years. After this 137 years, this kind of scene will be there where no books will be there and student may learning with a virtual classroom, and they are having all customized syllabus in their system, and there will be a robot teacher and they will submit their homework on screen, and which can be calculated instantly. Right now I may say that you people, half of the thing you people are experience taking the experience of it, as we are taking online classes due to this situation. So somehow the same thing we are doing. So we can say that 2157, it's far away from us, but the today's progress, due to this today's progress, what human has progressed, so because of that 137, after 137 years what should get happened, that is happening right now. One day Tommy discovered an old book in the attic. It was very old book, Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all storybooks were printed on paper. Dear students, here I want to tell you the attic. Attic means a storeroom. Here the Tommy is a character, Margie is a character. Margie is a character. She is 11 years old girl. Tommy is a 13-year-old boy, and both are very good friends. One day, what happened that Tommy discovered a old book in the attic. Attic means a storeroom, and it was very old. The page were yellowish color, in a yellowish color, and they are little bit so we can say it is so soft and it can get tear easily. So, and Margie remember after seeing that book that Margie's grandfather once told her that when I was little boy, my grandfather told me that there was a time of books. There was a time that all stories were printed on a paper. It is different from what Tommy and Margie consider as a book because it is written on a paper and bound together. Now here, what right now the in 2157 Margie and Tommy having the virtual classroom. Okay, so when they get the book, they saw the book and that all papers are together bonded. Bond means what? They are attached together. They turned the pages which were yellow, creaky, and it was awful funny to read the words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it, and it had when they read it first time. Now here they surprised to it saying the papers that on a first page whatever it is written that will remain same, exactly same. If they go after turning the pages, if they come directly again to the first page, the same thing was mentioned over there, same thing was written over there. As they were having so many books in their system, and how these people are using the book, that they open the book, and as you people use the PDF files and different files in our PC, we can open, we can scroll it down, we can scroll it up, we can erase the thing, we can even we can hide the things. So here we cannot do anything with the book. So both of them were surprised. Gay, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Now here what Tommy is saying, that this physical book is a one kind of wastage. How it is wastage, that once it is written on something written on the book, when the book is getting completed, after that there will be no use of this book. So at the end they have to throw it out. In another hand, what was the thing actually these people are doing, that they were having the electronic books, they were having all the books in a system. So this can be either they can discard or they can store for a long period of time. Margie and Tommy feel that their television screen is much better than an old book which can be discarded when you are done reading it. Where did you find it? Asked Margie. In my house in the attic, replied Tommy without looking because he was busy reading. What is about? Asked Margie. School, replied Tommy. Now here the big question arises, that Margie started questioning the Tommy, that from where you find out this such kind of book. He said, I find out from my storeroom. Then she again asks that what is written in that book. So what Tommy replied, that here something is written for the school. Now it was a surprising for the Margie that for school Can somebody rewrite something for the school? Television can store millions of books and they can reread them as many times they want. Now here students see the pic I have given over here. Both the pic just evaluate that two pics are there. In one pic they both are reading the book. In another pic the screen is there and so many books are there. So this is something difference they are finding in both the thing. Students, now here I will end part 1 of the chapter 1 from Behave, the fun they had. I, Sonal Shah, will be back soon with the part 2 of the same chapter. By the time, thank you.